Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, good afternoon. My name is Ina Lestari from Politeknik Manufaktur Negeri Bangka Belitung. Today I am honored to present my final project entitled Design and Development of an E-Repo System with Decision Support System and Generative AI for Handling Student Issue at SMK Negeri 1 Sengalian. Bab 1. Introduction, Background, Problem Formulation, Objective. The first motivation for this research is the rapid digital transformation in education. In the era of society 5.0, schools are encouraged to adopt integrated digital system to improve the efficiency and accuracy of academic management. Although SMK Negeri 1 Sengalian already has digital report system, but it only records score and print report, no analytic, no automatic identification of at-risk students, slow handling of student issue, academic attendance, and behavior data are still analyzed manually, caching delays in identifying and responding to student problems. For opportunity DSS plus Generative AI, a decision support system SAW method can rank students objectively, while Generative AI can turn that ranking into clear personalized handling recommendation. Problem formulation based on the background that I have explained. This research focus on four main research questions. The first question is how to build a web-based report system that can digitally and cohesively manage student grade, attendance, and academic progress at SMK Negeri 1 Sengalian. 2. How to implement the simple identifying method in a decision support system to automatically identify and classify students with problems based on academic attendance and behavioral data. 3. How to integrate API-based Generative AI into the e-repo system to automatically generate personalized recommendations for handling problematic students. 4. How can the developed repo system make it easier for teachers to manage grades, attendance, and student issue handling effectively and effective research objective? To answer those research questions, this study has four main objectives. 1. Build the integrated system. Develop a web-based integrated ERAPO system for digitally managing grades, attendance, and student progress. 2. Implement SAW-based DSS. Accurately, quickly, and objectively identify and classify the level of student problems. 3. Integrate generative AI. Generate automatic personalized and structured handling recommendation as a decision aid for homeroom teacher. 4. Simply teacher workflows. Help teacher manage academic data, monitor student growth, and make faster, more specific decisions to theoretical basis. In chapter 2, I will explain the theoretical basis of the research, literature review, foundation of theory, survey, and generative AI method. Literature review, 5 real studies on web-based academic and a report system will review. None of them combine as a web-based decision support with generative AI for handling student problems in one integrated platform. Prior research web-based student report system Khalilin 2022, contribution integrate era plus reduce data inaccuracy and delay, gave versus the study, no SPK or generative AI for student issue, DSS for problem student topics and Waspas Hakim et al. 2024 identifies problem studies faster than manual methods. User topics or Waspas this study use the simpler, more accurate SAW. AI in Education, a literative review, Pratiwi and Yunus 2024. Generative AI helps teachers spot learning patterns. Literature review only, not implemented in a real system. Academic as Service Information System Mensiana et al. 2025. Web System Improve Academic Data Management, NOSPK or AI Student Issues Handling Model. ERAPO System MTS Darutolibi Nur Wahid et al. 2024. Manage grades and attendance digitally. No SAW, DSS, or Generative AI integration. Theoretical foundation. This slide present the main theoretical foundation used in the research. First is the information system. An information system consists of integrate element, people, information technology, and work procedure that process, store, analyze, and disseminate data support the achievement of organizational goals. Setiawan et al. 2025. Report a digital system that automatically compile grades, attendance, and behavior notes into one complex student report. Decision support system (SPK) are information system that use mathematical method to generate structure, relevant decision recommendation, computer-based tests, or CBT, paperless computer-based exam, valid, objective, instant, and cost-effective for academic assessment. Certain problem can stem for internal or external factor and affect each student learning diversely. Application Programming Interface atau or API, an interface that connects application across platform and speed of development through flexible function. SAW method and generative AI. Decision support system use the simple identifying method to rank students objectively. Three criteria are used in the calculation: academic performance with a weight of 60%, attendance with 30%, and behavior with 20%. After the normalization process, the system calculates the preference score for each student and produces as ranking. However, the ranking itself does not provide practical guidance for teachers. 3. For the ranking result together with the student academic data are sent to the Generative AI service stock and API. The AI then generates personalized recommendation for handling student issues as well as descriptive remarks that can be included in the student report cards. This combination enables teachers not only to identify students who need attention but also to retrieve practical suggestions for appropriate follow-up action. Implementation method, prototype development method. This research adopt the prototype development model. The first text is requirement gathering, strong literature study, uh, observation and interview. The second text is building the prototype, ERD, sketch and activity diagram, and interface design translate recommend into a concrete model. 3. Prototype evaluation, feedback from teacher and homeroom teacher is used to revise the design before coding. For coding testing evaluation and use, the system is called black box and UAT tested, evaluated, that deployed for school use. Discussion. In the chapter 4, I will present the discussion of this research. This chapter explain the system design, database implementation, the application of the SAW method, and the testing result. The 3 results demonstrate how to propose system address the research objective presented earlier. Use case and system actor. This slide illustrates the main actor involved in the system and their responsibilities. The admin, manage user, SPK, criteria works, and class schedule. The teacher input grade, attendance, KKM, and CBT exam. Common teacher runs SAW ranking, gets a recommendation, issue a report. Student takes CBT exam, fills journal, fills grade and report. Parent fills show progress, attendance, and receive a report by email. Database design. This slide presents the database design of the proposed system. The system uses a MySQL database consisting of 22 interconnected tables. These tables are organized into several modules, including user management, academic data, report cards, computer-based, testing the definition, support system, and creative logs. This database structure ensures that all information is stored consistently and can be accessed efficiently by different user roles. It also supports seamless integration between academic data, the SAW calculation process, and AI generate recommendation. SAW calculation example. This slide demonstrates an example of the simple additive calculation. In this example, 3 students are evaluated using 3 criteria. criteria: academic performance, attendance, and behavior. Each criterion has a predefined weight of 50%, 30%, and 20% respectively. After the normalization process, Anya Trilestari achieved the highest score of 0,989, followed by Divana Maharani and Fahri Al-Bukhari. This example show that the SAW method can rank students objectively and consistently based on multiple evaluation criteria. Black box testing and user acceptance testing. Uh, to evaluate the developed system, two testing methods were conducted. The first method was black box testing, which focused on verifying whether every system function worked according to its specification. A total of 36 test scenarios were executed across 5 different user roles, and all scenarios were completed successfully, resulting in a 100% success rate. The second method was user acceptance testing. Teachers, homeroom teachers, admin, student, and parents evaluate the system based on usability, interface design, performance, feature completeness, and its support for academic activities. The results indicate that users positively accepted the system and considered it suitable for implementation in the school environment. Conclusion: 1. Integrate e-report deliver, grades, attendance, journals, and CBT exam are managed digitally in one connected web system. Objective student ranking: the SAW-based DSS ranks students quickly, accurately, and objectively based on academic attendance and behavior data. Actionable AI recommendation: identify tools the SAW ranking into a handling recommendation and personalized report notes for homeroom teachers. 4. Validate by testing 100% black box test success and positive user acceptance testing result across all 5 user roles. Suggestion: 1. Native mobile app develop the dedicated mobile app for students and parents for easier on-the-go access. 2. Research SAW criteria and criteria such as extracurricular achievement or counseling history for more nuanced rankings. 3. Offline fallback provide a local or offline fallback model so recommendation remain available without internet access. 4. Whether integration and testing integrate with system like Dapodik and run the larger scale longer term UAT across more user and semester. Okay, next I would like to demonstrate the Erapo system that I have developed. This is login page. This is page of the system. User can log in using their registered username and password. The system support 5 different user role: admin, teacher, homeroom teacher, student, and parent. After successful authentication, each user is redirected to a dashboard according to their role at access permission. Okay. This is the admin dashboard. Here, the administrator can monitor the overall system through statistical summaries and quick access menus. The administrator is responsible for managing user, class, jadwal, and the criteria used and the decision support system. User management. This is halaman user management. On the user management page, the administrator can add, delete, and resource user account. This ensures that every user has the appropriate role and access within the system. Is the teacher dashboard. Teachers can manage student grades, attendance, record learning journals, and computer-based testing. Implies academic data management by providing a required feature in one integrated platform. Okay, this is homeroom teacher dashboard. Besides monitoring student progress, the homeroom teachers can execute the decision support system using the simple additive vector method. As our calculation, here the system calculates the preference value for each student based on three criteria: academic score with a weight of 50%, attendance with 30%, and behavior with 20%. After the normalization and weighted calculation process, the system automatically generates a ranking of students. As our ranking result, this page displays the ranking result generated by the SAW method. Students are ranked objectively based on their overall performance. This result become the input for the generative AI module. Generative AI recommendation. This recommendation boleh menggunakan atau feature-nya menggunakan rekomendasi sendiri. This is halaman atau page CPT, page absen, page manajemen nilai. Okay. And next, this is page student dashboard. On the student dashboard, student can view their grades. This is portal ujian CBT, jurnal, kemudian e-report dapat melihat nilai yang telah di plot oleh guru wali. This parent dashboard. Parents can log into the system to monitor their child's academic performance, attendance, and report card. This feature strengthens communication between the school by providing transparent access to student progress. In conclusion, this report system successfully integrates academic management, the simple adaptive vector decision support method, and generative AI into one web-based platform. The system not only digitals academic administration but also assists homeroom teachers in identifying student issues and relative personalized handling recommendation more efficiently and objectively. Thank you. This concludes the application demonstration. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.